All right, we'll move to the next market, and that's the crypto market. Very interesting things happening right there. But before we get our guests to talk about that, we see that it's a lot of red today, but don't be deceived. Bitcoin is still looking good at 34,000 there, dropped at 1.16%. But I mean, remember, just look at this, and then we'll know that we're still looking at least safe grounds for now. And Ethereum has also dropped. Of course, when a Bitcoin drops, we expect others to move. Let's see the market sentiment. So you see, the market is still greedy. It may be a good time to make some profit, take some profits, but remember to leave some investment there because, you know, it will go down and then it will come back up again. It's always a cycle. Let's see the prices of the coins right there. We saw that of Bitcoin. We saw that of Ethereum, and then we see BNB gained, and then Cardano also dropped. XRP also lost more than 1% to close at 0.54%. Now, an interesting story caught my eye just before we came on air, and I hope Sheon is aware of it. Hi, Sheon, Daniel, good morning. Thank you for your time.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, so I hear Bitcoin price is different values in different countries now, but surging even higher in emerging economies. And I see that now the Naira gained somewhat at the P2P, even though it's not, officially recognized. So the Naira traded, I think, about 1,100 or so just before I came on air. How can we explain this?
So pretty much, I think on the peer-to-peer market, following it works just like, it's an open market, willing buyer, willing seller. And I think some of the things that have affected prices, which may then also spiral into the FX market, is the fact that we can now see that there will be government stability. Before the Supreme Court judgment, everybody would probably have been speculating that, okay, could there be a change in government? How would that affect people's investments? But after the Supreme Court judgment was issued yesterday and, in favor of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, everyone can now sit back. Most of the investors can plan. So I believe that most of the speculators have then seen that, well, there's no point holding on to FX or to, hedging their Naira. And so everybody decided to sell off. And that was why we could see, that huge dip. I think it was over 100 or 200 Naira loss. A gain for the Naira, let me put it that way.
A gain for Nigeria.
Yes, a gain for Nigeria.
Yeah, but that doesn't explain why in Argentina, in Turkey, price of Bitcoin is surging, at different levels.
So the reason for this, what those countries have in common is high rate of inflation. Of course, there's also, unfortunately, people do not trust their governments and the financial institutions within these countries. And because of the high rate of inflation, the value of people's money has reduced. So people are looking for ways to hedge their funds, where to invest, and do things outside of the traditional financial institutions. And of course, you heard by the news in the ETF, boom, that Bitcoin has been appreciating in price, Ethereum appreciating in price. So people are definitely looking for, alternative sources, alternative investments, so they can put in their money and make higher returns, in order to be able to cater for their day-to-day needs. So, and Bitcoin is sort of readily available in those countries, in the black markets. So it's same thing, demand and supply. So a lot of people are going to buying Bitcoin in those countries in order to be able to safeguard their money against inflation.
So how do you see this weekend for Nigeria now that the Naira is gaining on the P2P platform?
The weekend for Nigeria is going to be very interesting, and of course I'll reference with what the former acting governor of CBN said, Mr. Shonubi, where he said speculators will be shocked, so people who have been speculating and shorting the Naira, might just have, a very huge shock. So best thing will be, businesses who actually need the FX, who actually need, crypto, USDT, whatever it is, should be the ones who are trading, not the entire nation trying to hedge against Naira. So Naira will gain, the Minister for Finance has, put out some news about things that are going to happen in very short term. So I believe that everybody should trust the government. So this weekend, I think Yeah, speculators will be shocked.
All right.
In the nutshell.
All right. Well, if speculators are shocked, it's good for the country, good for Naira.
Very good for Nigeria.
So we look forward to it, Cheo. Thank you so much. Chief Executive Officer of TradeFada. All right, so if you're a speculator, maybe you should get ready to be shocked this weekend. According to Sheo, Naira should gain, good for the nation, right? Well, we hope it should come that way. But that's it on Business Morning for today, Friday.